Hello people, it's Michael here. Today I'm gonna just do a quick video on how to set up a live stream on YouTube. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is open your YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. Try to say that fast. Anyway, the first thing you need to do is open your YouTube Studio and click on Create. Which you'll find up here, and then click on Go Live, and you'll get your screen up here. What I'm gonna do is you can stream live here. You can use your webcam, but what I want to do is I want to set it up to use a mobile device. So I will see. I will click on the well, I'll have the manage tab open, and then I'll click on schedule screen because I don't want the stream to be live. I want to schedule this for, let's say, tomorrow. Okay, so if we call this, let's just say we call this Darren's stream, and you can put in whatever the description is here. Shall we say catch up on Tenerife? How about that one? Okay. Now we've got options here. How do you want to go live? Do you want to use your streaming software, which is something like OBS Studio? Do you want to use webcam on your laptop computer, or do you want to use mobile? I'm going to choose mobile, so I click on mobile there. You can fill in all these things. What is the categories? Travel. You can upload a thumbnail. I'm going to just stick something generic there. Shall we say, let's upload a thumbnail of this one here. It's just a generic thumbnail that I had. If I made one for Tenerife, I would put it in there anyway. Is it going to go on any of your playlists? Have you got playlists to select? Like you want to have Tenerife, Spain, Livestream, whatever, you can fit it in there. Then you click on next. All these details are things that you normally see on your live stream. So do you want to have live chat? Do you want to have live chat replay? You can click on that. Who do you want? Who can put messages on your live stream? It's a good idea if you can put anyone, but you can also put subscribers. So if anyone's watching your video and they actually want to make a comment, they would need to subscribe to the channel. So let's just click on subscribers there. Minimum subscribe time, I'll put any duration, and then I click next. I am going to schedule this for, let's say I'll schedule it for tomorrow, which is the 20th of June, for, let's just choose the time, shall we say 6 p.m., 1800 hours. It's obviously in the in your local time. So if your audience is worldwide, it will show in their local time at whatever their local time is. But as you can see here, I've got my upload defaults to private, but it says only public or unlisted can be selected when going live from a mobile device. So I am going to put unlisted because this is just basically a test stream anyway. And you click on done. And what will happen is it will create the stream. As you can see up there, it says waiting for mobile stream to begin. That will come up tomorrow. Now, when you actually want to go live on your mobile, all you need to do is you need to go to your mobile Windows app, and you see on the bottom here, you click on the plus sign at the bottom, and you will see go live, and you'll click on the live tab right at the bottom, and up the top here you will see a square that has got a number beside it. That number is the number of live streams you've actually got scheduled. I think that's a calendar icon basically, and it's telling you you've got one live stream scheduled. So if you click on that, you will come to scheduled live streams, and you've got there is the live stream that we created for designer, and it says it's scheduled for 20th of June at 6 p.m. And just click on that, and you come to a stream set for blah 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 blah, go live, done. If you click on go live, that's it, you're live. You'll be ready to start your live stream. So basically that's a quick and easy way to set up a live stream on mobile. If you want to set it up on say your laptop or OBS, it's a slightly different way of doing it, but I'll do another video for that. But this one is specifically for mobile. If you like the video, just click on the like button. That's all I ask. If you want to see more videos of this, something like this, or of my travels, just click the subscribe button. Okay, well, thanks for watching, people.